Last night I was trying to unload my backhoe without ramps off my trailer, and I made a lot of mistakes, including not putting blocks under the rear of the trailer. So I ended up bending the trailer and essentially making it into a dovetail. You can kind of see it in the video. I'll upload another video of the after effects, and when it's clearer out and it's not raining and it's not dark. It's pretty substantially bent in the rear. Now it might be to my advantage. I don't know. I don't know how it's going to pull, if it's going to pull straight. I don't know if anything else is going to be funny. That steel is definitely compromised now. I'm going to have to reinforce that, but just check out this video and see what mistakes you can see. You can't tell because the video is sped up, but I keep it idled very low as I can keep it idled, especially when I'm doing something sketchy like that, when I'm unloading, when I'm doing something I'm unfamiliar with. The lower the idle, the less apt I am to make mistakes, or the less jerky the machine's going to be, even though it was still jerky.